Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making pita bread pizzas. Okay, so this is the ingredients list. You can pause to take a look. So I decided to put some sweet potato leaves in my pita bread pizzas. So for those of you who don't know, yes, sweet potato leaves, are edible. I use salami. I'm going to be using some chicken broth. And these are all the ingredients I'm going to use in order to make my pita bread pizza. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some olive oil and saute some onions. So this is going to be a pita bread pizza with a difference. Okay, it's not your conventional pizza. So I'm putting some onions here. I'm going to be sauteing the sweet potato leaves. I also added some mushrooms as well. Okay, so we're going to cook all of that. We're cooking and there I added some chicken broth and also some stir-fry sauce in order to cook the sweet potato leaves, the mushrooms, and the onions. Okay, you could use whatever stir-fry sauce that you find. So we're going to cover and cook that to make sure everything is cooked nicely. Now I'm going to make a simple pizza sauce. So I use about 7 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I am using a pita bread as the base for my pizza. I added some Italian seasoning blend. I added some honey. Let's see, that's about 2. I think I added another tablespoon of honey, so it might be 3 tablespoons of honey. Then I added some, maybe 2 cloves of minced garlic, and we're going to heat that sauce through. There you go. I did add some more honey. So let's just say add honey to taste for your preference, right? But I did add 3 tablespoons there. All right, so let's put our pizza together. So we're going to add the sauce, our homemade sauce that we made, to the base of the pita bread. Now I'm going to add the sauteed onions, sweet potato leaves, and mushrooms. By the way, guys, sweet potato leaves are highly nutritious. I'm going to add some of the salami that I decided to use. I'm going to add some tomatoes. Some seasoning peppers. Doesn't that look really nice, guys? It's like a rainbow of colors. And some pineapple. Now we're going to top with our cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. So these are individualized pizzas. It's small enough for one person. So there you have it. Now we're going to put that into the oven to bake for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.